Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you two ways to access shared files between two Windows PCs using SMB. First, we will use File Explorer. Second, we use Command Prompt. Both methods on same network. Let's get started. What you need: both PCs running Windows 10 or 11, the same Wi-Fi or wired network. I will call the PC with files PC1 and the one accessing them PC2. Share a folder on PC1. On PC1, the one with the files, right-click the folder you want to share, click Properties, then Sharing tab. Click Advanced Sharing, check the box that says Share this folder. Then click Permissions. The group Everyone is already selected. Just check Full Control, click Apply, then OK. Click Apply again, then OK. Now go to Security tab. Click Edit. Select the group Everyone from the list. Check Full Control, click Apply, then OK. Then Close. Important note: the group Everyone grants access to anyone who has a user account on this PC and successfully logs in. It does not open your files to the entire internet. Now find PC1's IP address. On PC1, press Windows key plus arrow together. Type CMD and press Enter. Type ipconfig and press Enter. Look for the IP version 4 address. In my case, it's 192.168.43.228. Write yours down. Now test connection from PC2. On PC2, press Windows plus R together. Type CMD and press Enter. Ping 192.168.43.228 and press Enter. If you see replies from PC1, you are good to go. Close the window. If you see request timed out, check that both PCs are on the same network. Also check that Windows Firewall on PC1 is not blocking incoming SMB traffic on port 445. Method 1. Access via File Explorer. Open File Explorer. In the address bar, type //192.168.43.228. Press Enter. If asked for credentials, enter PC1's username and password. You should see the shared folder. Double-click to open it, and that's it. Method 2. Access via Command Prompt. Open Command Prompt. To map a shared folder as a drive letter, type netuse //192.168.43.228 folder name. Replace folder name with your actual share name and press Enter. If asked for credentials, enter PC1's username and password, and that's it. Now type and press Enter to switch to that drive. Now type dir and press Enter to list all the files and folders inside. But note, the Z drive connection will disappear when you restart your PC. If you want a connection to automatically reconnect after every reboot, you cannot just add persistent to the Z drive command because Z is already in use. Instead, use a different drive letter. For example, type netuse //192.168.43.228 folder name //persistent yes. Press Enter. Again, if asked for credentials, enter PC1's username and password. Now will reconnect automatically after every restart without asking for credentials again. To disconnect everything at once, type netuse //delete. Press Enter, then type Y to confirm. And that's it. Everything is disconnected. Troubleshooting tip: if you cannot connect, make sure you are using the correct username and password for PC1. Also verify that the folder is still shared by going back to the properties on PC1 and checking the sharing tab. That's it. If the video helped you, please like and subscribe. Need FTP or Windows to Linux? Check the cards. Thanks for watching.